Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome. This video explains how to use Google Gemini with a photo step-by-step. Gemini accepts images and provides analysis, editing, or caption generation from a photo. Uploading lets you ask questions about objects, text, or context inside images. You can instruct Gemini to edit, crop, or stylize the photo with specific prompts. Gemini will display when images might be used to improve models or services. I will show practical prompts, upload limits, and privacy settings to keep your workflow safe and efficient. Start by opening Gemini and tapping the camera or image icon in the chat interface. Select a photo from your device, confirm upload, and wait for the preview to appear. Keep images under about 15 MB for smooth processing and avoid extremely large resolutions. After upload, type a clear instruction such as remove background, describe objects, or generate a caption in 20 words. You can also reference parts of the image by saying top left or center region for targeted edits. Gemini will return options, suggestions, or edited outputs you can accept or refine. Before uploading sensitive photos, check Gemini settings to enable or disable image sharing for improvement. Disabling sharing keeps your images out of model training and prioritizes privacy for personal content. For better edits, reference regions by saying top left, bottom right, or center to target specific areas. Use concise constraints like 3 options, 100 characters, or formal tone to guide output consistently. If you want higher quality edits, try multiple prompts and accept intermediate suggestions before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.